If your car right now is filled with gas, you got your flashlights, you got fresh batteries in them, you're almost ready for the storm. But there's one more thing we want to make sure that you look at ahead of time, and that is your insurance documents.
Tonight, our Allison Gormley tells us what you need to know about those insurance policies ahead of time in tonight's What's the Deal?
When a storm hits, minutes matter. So if your renter, car, or homeowner policies are all online, you want to make sure you either print the declarations page or take a screenshot on your phone. That way you'll be able to access the information even if you lose internet or power. For your vehicle policy, take note of the claims phone number and what your coverage includes. Collision covers you hitting another car, and comprehensive covers damage from everything else.
Say a tree falls on your car, or there's severe icing and that causes damage to your vehicle. That would not be covered if you don't have comprehensive.
Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute said you also want to check your policy for rental car coverage and roadside assistance. Now, if you see that you skipped roadside assistance, don't panic. You may have the coverage through something else like AAA. As for your homeowner's policy, again, start with the claims phone number on the declaration page. If your basement gets water, that may or may not be your separate flood policy. It just depends on why the water's there.
If the sump pump fails because of a power failure for the entire community, that would not be a flood issue. That's different from, say, you got a foot of snow, the snow melted and it seeped into your basement. Different scenario.
Now, if you need to buy any supplies related to damage, make sure you keep the receipts for both reimbursement purposes, but also tax purposes.